Hello everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the today's session, I'm going to discuss about one of the major important topic that is this really good to copy and paste the code? So as a beginner, if you are learning any programming language or any web development course, okay, so as a beginner, if you try to copy and paste the code, then you can learn copy and paste only. You don't learn programming. So programming is nothing but it's like problem solving or logical thinking. Okay, so it's an innovative thinking. You have to resolve the real-time problems. Okay, it's not a copy-paste job. So if you are a beginner and you are learning a new course, might be any programming language or web development course, don't copy and paste the code. So if you are habited to copy and paste the code, you can learn only copy and pasting. You don't learn programming language or web development courses. Okay, many of the candidates are doing this mistake only. They are just copy and paste the code and they are getting the output and they feel very happy. Yes, I got the output. If you learn in this way, you may not become a perfect programmer. You may not become a master in programming. Then which time I can copy and paste the code? Yes, you can do copy and paste the code once you have more experience, once you have more professional experience. You must understand loopholes, bugs, okay, and the syntax-wise errors, each and everything. If you know each and everything from beginning to ending of the project, then you can do copy and paste the job once, because many of the professional candidates are doing in IT companies, so they are doing copy and paste whenever they require some code. Okay, but as a beginner, don't do this mistake because you are in a learning stage. So in the beginning itself, if you are doing a copy paste job, then how you can become master in programming or any web development course? So it may take time to get the output. You will find a number of errors, number of bugs. Even though you get number of bugs and number of errors, you just try to resolve those bugs. It may take time. Definitely you will resolve those issues if you are really passionate towards programming. You must do some dedication on programming. Then you can become a master in programming. So I hope you understand that, guys. So only when you are having professional experience more than 4 years or 3 years or 5 years or 7 years of experience in IT field, then there is a chance are there to copy and paste the code from one project to another project. Okay, but as a beginner or 1 year or 2 years of experience candidate, try to write your own hands only. Don't copy and paste the code. You may not understand the logics if you do copy and paste the code. You may not understand the loopholes of where the programming language, where the logic is implemented and what type of logic implemented, okay, and what type of bugs are rising, why these bugs are rising. You may not understand the entire thing. If after getting professional experience, so you can understand each and everything, the flow of the program or project. So that's all, guys, my side. So don't copy and paste the code as a beginner. Okay, so if you really like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to comment in the comment section. This video is very helpful and this makes me very happy. And also please encourage me to upload more and more useful videos by sharing these videos to your friends. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you very much.